In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a TradingView chart into your website. TradingView is a popular platform for stock and forex trading enthusiasts, offering robust real-time charts and other advanced financial tools. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, having TradingView charts embedded directly into your website can enhance the user experience and keep your visitors engaged with up-to-date market data. The first thing you need to know is that TradingView provides a range of widgets for embedding charts, such as the Advanced Chart, Mini Chart, or Symbol Overview. Each widget has its own features, so consider what best fits your website's needs. Let's choose one as an example, say the Advanced Chart. Begin by visiting the TradingView Widgets page. Once you're there, select the Advanced Chart or any other chart that suits your purpose. TradingView makes this process user-friendly through their point-and-click constructor, which allows you to tailor the widget to your specific needs. Next, you'll need to configure a few settings. Start by choosing the symbol you want to display, such as NASDAQ, AAPL, if you're interested in Apple stocks. This symbol will dictate the initial financial data the chart showcases. Moving on to aesthetics, you can tailor the display to fit your website's theme by selecting either a light or dark mode. This helps ensure that the widget seamlessly integrates with your site's overall design and provides a pleasant user experience. Size is another critical consideration. TradingView enables you to set specific dimensions for width and height, or you can opt for the auto size feature, which automatically adjusts the chart to fit the available space on your page. This flexibility is great if your website is designed to be responsive on different devices like desktop computers, tablets, and smartphones. Furthermore, you can customize additional features like timeframe, tools, and studies to enhance the chart's functionality. If your audience is more interested in short-term trading, you might set the chart to display intraday data. On the other hand, long-term investors might prefer a daily or weekly view. You may also add technical tools and studies that your audience finds valuable, ensuring that the chart is as informative as possible. Once you're satisfied with your configurations, TradingView will generate an HTML/JavaScript snippet for you. This snippet is crucial as it acts as the code that you'll integrate into your website. Go ahead and copy this snippet. Finally, it's time to paste the code into your website's HTML. This could be within a specific HTML file, or if you're using frameworks like React or Angular, you can embed it accordingly. Ensure the code is placed correctly so that you achieve the desired look and functionality. And there you have it. Your website is now equipped with a fully functioning TradingView chart. By now, you should feel more confident about enriching your site with this valuable tool. Happy embedding!